Okay, we're gonna be trading live today. I'm already in a position. I just got in on this little wick over here. I'm in at 1402. I cut my position when I was negative $150. Going in with 2,000 shares. I'm not trying to go in too heavy. I will add on the drops for Wish. I'm looking for a. Let me look on the 4-hour. I'm looking for a retest of this 1450 and a break to test this like 1550 level. It's looking like it's holding on this 14 level. There's a lot of buying pressure, a lot of FOMO. So yeah, we'll see how it is. We're up so far 170. Like I said, I had cut the position early on one of the trades because I was in at like 1420. Lost about like $150. So we'll see. We'll see now. We'll see what happens. Great bounce here on this level, on this 1395, 14 level. Like I said, 1403 is my entry. Let's see if we break. So one of the reasons why I got in, so one of the reasons why I got in, if you see post market coming down, pre market came to retest. This doesn't look like a real candle, but just downward trend. This 1320 to 13 level, great bounce to test the highs. Oh, there you go. Now we're starting to look. Now we're looking good. So we're testing this 1450 level. Let's see if it breaks. If it does break and hold, I'm looking to set my stuff at break even. Actually, let's set this at break even right here. Let's see how it goes. So we're up 500 so far. Let's look at the 15 minute. 15 minute looks good. I would set stops at 1386, but I mean, we'll see. Maybe I get wicked out and I get a better price. I'm just looking for continuation. We have this channel here, this downward channel, broke out, came to retest this $10 support, and it's been just pushing. Reddit is all over this. There's short squeeze potential, so many things. So 1550 seems like a strong resistance. So if we do get that test and a rejection, I'm looking to get out and get a better price. If you saw my story, I had said that we're going to get a retest of 13 today. We got 1320, and then it ended up bouncing, which is good. And yeah, we'll see if we break this 15 level after that. I'm looking for 20 with this push. And if this short squeeze really does happen and there's a lot of buying pressure and people are covering, then this could be sent a lot higher. So it's not the best price, not my favorite price, but we'll see how it goes. So yep, there you go. See, I don't like this is the 1 minute. I don't like these wicks at the top. I have it at break even, so I mean, if I lose 100, I'm down 150 bucks on the day, so nothing crazy. I'm looking for 1450 break. If we retest again and we don't break, I might just get out. This is a 30 minute. We got a nice little wick. Great bounce on this little zone, like I mentioned. So we got 7 minutes for the 15 minute to close. Yep, it looks like we're gonna retest that 14 again. Actually, I'm gonna take off this. Yep, there you go. So I'm only down 99 on the day. Oh, we'll see how it works. If we get 2 touches, if this doesn't break this level, then I'll get back in. It's up $1 a dollar. I don't want to be in $2,000 drawdown. So I'd rather wait. Oh, there you go. Potential next level. Let's see. We have 7 minutes. That's a great level right there. For 1390, if we hold it, I'll get back in. Oh. We're still looking at the 1 minute. There you go. There it goes. Let's see if it's if it holds. Oh, okay. So this line right here, this trend line, is like what I was mentioning before. The post-market and pre-market, it was like a downward trend. We just broke out of it, and it seems like it's gonna retest that level. So 1370. If we want to get back in on a day trade, look at that huge wick. Good thing we got out. I mean, like I said, we were up 600, but that wasn't my TP. So we're only down $99, which I'm happy with that. That's not bad. This might not be the entry yet. We'll see. Like I said, I'm gonna wait another 5 minutes to see if I get back in. But from the looks of it, we might come back down and retest. Ooh, look at that! Look at that! What a great drop. Couldn't hold the second tap. Let's see if it holds this. Oh. This is still my price, $12. I want to get in at 12, and I'll get in with some size. I was looking to get in with like 10,000, and then add if it comes back down. But you look at this trend line that I have over here from the 750s. It's been tapping it and instantly bouncing. Comes a little under, comes back, came back down here and ripped. It was gone. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do get this 1210 level, 1225 ish. It would be phenomenal getting that price in, and then getting another bounce and another leg up to test the 17s or 18s or 20s with the momentum that it has. So you're getting higher lows, higher highs. It'll be healthy for the stock to be able to come down, come back up, retest 15 or 1450 again, break it the third time or fourth time, and continue up. I'm looking for a great swing. I ended up selling early last time, thinking that we were going to come back down to 10 when I had gone in at 11:02. If you follow me on Instagram or the Green Zone Bakery, we talked about that we had a swing at $11 on Thursday around here. We were over here, the 11:05, 11:10 area. This break, we came to retest, got out because we thought we were going to get a better price, and it ended up not going without us, which is fine. It's okay. So we're waiting for a better price. This 13 level looks like it might be it, but we'll see. Look at that great bounce at 1370. See if it can hold it. Oh, look, there you go. So we have 2 more minutes till the 15. Do not like how this looks. We might get it retested. Like I've been saying it like crazy. 13. If it holds, then all right, that's our entry. But that's not like my favorite price. Look how ugly that looks. And like I showed you on the 30-minute. Look at that wick. Still bullish, but look at that wick. And this trend line that I have drawn from post and pre. Look at that. Wow. See, we lost $99, but we be in almost $1,200 drawdown. So, and then I also got it at 14.20. So, you know, if I would have held that 14.20, 14.23 when I had gotten the first loss at $150, we would be down pretty heavy. I still want to swing this, but I can get better prices. So, AMC's coming down, so that could be a potential. SPY is holding up. Nasdaq's rejecting a little bit on the 30. We're about like almost break even. We're up 0.07% on that. SPY's down 0.12. Look at that 4 hour. The 4 hour on Wish is beautiful. If you follow me on my personal and on the Green Zone Bakery, I mentioned this, that the perfect setup for me is gonna come up. We're gonna retest this 14.50. We're gonna come back down to the 13 to 12, and then bounce, and then either A, retest this 14.50, reject, and then create a lower high, which would probably be 13, and then continue up, or we just break through with all the hype and the short squeeze and all these different things that everyone's talking about right now. This reminds me of AMC. If you looked at it a few months ago, the $8 to $15 range, that's how it was. It was just boom, boom for 2 months. It was just going 18, 15, 11, 15, then back down to 8, then 15, and then finally broke out, and then we tested. Then it was just gone after that. So it looks similar. So that's like my perfect scenario. Look at that, 1340. Retest that level. Don't want to chase. 15 just closed under. So let's see if we test this wick. Probably sound like a broken record. I've said this level 15 times. Light's a little bright, eh? Yes, sir. That's why we don't chase. We wait. It's called patience. P-A-Y, patience. Look at that. We're still vibing. I can't believe I lost $100. Okay, so power went out at the office. And we might have missed the entry. Yeah, looks like it. Look at that. Bounce at 1320. Let's see if we get a pullback and it makes sense to get in. Okay, we have August 20 call sweeps near the ask for earnings, 8:14 before open. Okay. Looks like the internet's still lagging. Oh. Move this back into frame. Yeah. Crazy. I am nobody. There you go, baby. We missed the entry again. 1326. We are not going to chase. I just don't like how this looks. I don't even want to get at 13. To me, it's just not worth it for the risk. Alright. Let's see. Just got in. 1340. We break under 1320. I'm going to cut it. Get a different level. But nice retest of that 1380. And a rejection is what I'm looking for. If it breaks, then we're going to 1450. Like I said before, my power went out. So We got 1 more minute for the 5 minute. So closing over 1340 is key. 1350 would be phenomenal closing over in 1 minute. Up 128 so far. Ooh, look at that rejection. So the 1 minute just closed. 5 minute just closed. Let's see. Oh, that's 15. Sorry. Seems like we're gonna retest this base or this 1320 level, but I mean, I'm hanging out. I'm hanging out. Oh, it's a hard life being a day trader. I would love to play music, but I can't. I'm not trying to get copyright infringement. Okay, let's go. Wish. So down $36. We're down about 5 Chipotle bowls so far. Oh, now it's 4, 3, depending on if you get guac or not. Oh, looks like we're getting a nice steak. Oh, just kidding. Looking for like 1,000. 1,000, I think I'll take half, and then just wait for a better price. So 1350 is a key level. I have a zone there. It looks like the volume's starting to fall off. We might get some bag holders over here. No buying pressure. Tape looks good. I don't like that it's taking so long to break this 1350. Maybe I'm just being impatient, but I want to set it at break even. But look at these wicks. Ooh, look at that tape right there. We might get a slow grind. It's done it before, where we sell off heavy. We run up heavy, we sell off heavy, and then it just slowly comes back up. So we're at almost what it opened at. It was 13, or what it closed at, 1340. So not bad. I just want a break of this 1350 and kind of hold, and then the 1370. Once I see that, then I can just set it at break even. I won't even look at it. I'll probably end up finishing the video, or I'll let it ride. We won't be here all day though. I'm not trying to have a 4-hour video and no one, ends up watching it. But people were asking me for execution. They wanted to see the actual execution and timestamps. So, 15 minutes in the closing 2. Oh, look at that wick on the 15 minute. I would love a retest. We're up 180 so far, so a nice little ribeye steak. Oh. Oh. Ribeye steak. You. Ribeye steak. You. Okay, so 1350. Come on, boys. Let's go, baby. I do not like how this looks. There's no fun. It's going very slow, very slow. You see, the tape doesn't look that good, and the level 2s don't look that good. Looks like we're gonna lose some money. Need a break of this. Nice little push. Yes, sir. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. So we're down a ribeye right now. I think I mentioned it earlier. At this price, I don't mind it. Maybe I cut, or maybe I just start adding on the dips. Because every 50 cents to a dollar, I can add 2,000 and just like slowly build a long-term swing, which, how I mentioned before, was the plan last week. Ended up selling early. So we'll see. Because if we break this 13, then the next level is 1250. So 1250, I can add another 2,000, and then 12 add 3,000, and then, you know, etc., etc., etc. Perfect price is $10, but we'll see how that goes. AMC's bouncing at that 51 level. It's at 54 right now. 4 hour on Wish looks kind of ugly. What else are we looking at? BBIG looks like looking to break the channel that it's in right now, like the bullish channel. Nasdaq is coming back up, 0.17, and SPY is basically break even. Just like that, boys. That's why you cannot set tight stops. Shout out to Alex. She's trading right now. Down 96 bucks so far. We're doing the live stream. We're not live stream. We're trading live, but we're gonna be posting it after. But you know, we'll see. Gotta send the video. You feel me? Oh man, run me my bread. My favorite shirt. One of my favorite shirts. I also have the hoodie. One of one hoodie, by the way. Run me my bread in this lime green. It wasn't even supposed to be lime green, but I kind of like it that it's lime green. Again, I kind of want to get out of this because I feel like it is gonna come back down. But this all happened to me yesterday. I was in at 11.60. I bought the dip, and then it ended up running up $2. Do I think it's gonna run up $2 today? No, but we could have a swing. There's a lot of wicks here on the 30-minute. We got 15 more minutes on this new 30, so I wouldn't be surprised if we just come to retest that 1370. And then if we reject, then I'm just gonna get out because I know we're gonna come back down. But yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hard work. Hard work. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, there he is. Yo. Wish bouncing at that 1320.
Where?
1320.
Yeah, that's my entry.
Yeah, I got it back in 1339. I'm going in light though, 2,000 shares. Yeah, it randomly. I think it's because they're working on the roof.
Our will is due today. So
Yeah. Yeah, Bitcoin's what? That 29, right? 29,000. Let's see. Wish, baby.
what, you're in at 1320?
Yeah. I cut. I got in at 14.20, and then it went to 14.50. I cut. I lost $99, and then now I just added here, and bro, it looks like a good price. We break. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. The perfect price is 12.10, but the way it's moving, it seems like it might not touch it if it keeps holding these levels. So if it does dip, that's why I went in with 2,000, and then eventually every 50 cents to a dollar, add another 2,000. All depends on how it moves today. Because if we aggressive move up 20 something percent, and then we just come down 20%, then you already know that it's not gonna hold those levels. But it's kind of, I mean, it's vibing right now. 20-cent range. It keeps retesting that 13.50. 30 minutes about to close in 10 minutes. So if it doesn't break that in the next 30 minutes, I might get out and just get a better price. We'll see. I did go in light though, so. Ooh, that tape though. I'll be right back.
The electric bill actually went up by about $45.
Yeah, I already cut the money. It's also probably the AC for leaving us something back.
Yeah, I was thinking it was the AC to the top, but the bill for bill now is going to be 240. So divided by
What I said, that's 65 bucks niggas. That's 65, 67.
240.
And you have the internet too, right? Huh? You have the internet right? Let me know, not worried. Oh, we're coming back down. 13.20. We're down about 2 ribeyes. Might cut half, we'll see. Put an alarm. You hear if you hear a ping, it's because Wish went under 13.17. Are we about to drop another dollar? Oh, we're down 650, boys. Oi. Look at the 30. Seems like we're gonna fill this. If we don't hold this 13, 20, 90 area, I'm looking for 12.50 add and then $12 add, and then anything under I'll start adding as well. Seems like this is the zone now. Let's take this out. This would have been a great entry. Way better than the 1340. I was looking for continuation, but you know, it's okay. Yeah, I got 500. You look at the 4 hour, it's just, it looks nice. It's healthy. It looks just like AMC. Okay, so the 30 is about to close in 4 minutes. Let's see how this ends up closing. Look at that volume on the 30 here. Now we're looking at the same over here. Wow. Let's look at the daily. First red day, finally. That's why I see that $11.50, $12 range. So that's why I'm not going in so heavy, you know. The goal is to be able to have 13,000 shares. So, good way to start. Come back $2, add another 2, 3, 4,000. Powell talks today, by the way. So, let's see how the market turns after that. Let's see what time he talks. $30 is about to close. 1 minute. I do not want a close right here because it's just gonna have continuation. We might get a retest on this wick and then a bounce like here, get a retest on this wick, bounce at this 320, 315 level. then come to retest. 1 minute left. Here it comes. Retest.
Trading has allowed me to quit my day job.
The high. Let's see what's there's Fubo. They're kind of
Tape looks disgusting though. Yeah, perfect bounce on 13. I want to see if it tests that wick at 1290 on the 30, and then if we get a retest and then another bounce, it's gonna look like how it did yesterday to retest that 1380. But volume's not as high as before, so we might trickle down, which is understandable. And if I'm not mistaken, Powell talks, so we'll see. I'm ready to add every 50 cent drops. Yo, it's your number, right? Or email? It's your number or email? I think it's your number, right? Bro, that's beautiful, man. I just sent it to you. Let me know if you got it. Yeah. Tapes look good right now. Tape looks good right now. We'll see. Needs to break the 1330. But, I mean, I'm vibing, to be honest. I am what you call vibing. I mean, to be honest, I hope it goes to 12 today. I'll just add more. That'll do your thing. I'm good. Nasdaq is still doing good. 0.30 on the day percent. Testing the highs of yesterday. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I had 13.2. I moved it down to 13 to 12.9, but that 13 to 13.20 level is where you're seeing all the wicks on the bigger time frames. Even on the 1 minute, it's hanging out there. So we break this 13.30 on the 1 minute, then volume is down, so we're not gonna get some crazy movement, but it still looks good. Still looks good. Clover's up today. Let's check out Clover. 17%. Wow. I don't even have levels on this. Oh man, it filled the gap at that 12 level. So this is usually how we find what we're gonna day trade. Look at the levels. So 10 is definitely a level. Obviously, do you have levels on Clover already or no? 12 looks like a great buy. $13.50. 14-ish. So yeah, 14. I have a 13.50. That's why you vibe, boys. That's why it's called patience, right? I say that and it goes back down to 12. That 13.50 with no volume is going to be the level for the day. We'll see if it does it like yesterday. It did. It hung out like this and then it just ripped. I'm up a ribeye. Oh, just kidding. So we've been down. I think we were down like 700, and it was $99. We were negative before the trade, so $600, $650 around there. from a 1 minute standpoint, let's see if we retest 1330 and then bounce, or we go under that little trend line that I have. Let's move this. Yes, sir. Oh, look at that. We closed over that 1350. It's gonna look beautiful. 13 was the price though. That's why sometimes it's better to be late and right than early and wrong, right? But still good. Still chilling. Just so everybody knows, it's Tuesday, so make sure to go to Tiago's Tacos. It's Taco Tuesday, $2.50, all street tacos, chorizo, chicken, steak, shrimp al pastor all day, baby. See if I can get it. Taco Tuesday. Oh, don't forget that they got BOGO as well. For all my Miami peeps that are watching this, BOGO Margs, 2 for 1. Oh, Zach just tweeted about Wish, so watch this. Let's see if it pumps. We're at 36 minutes. Probably end up doing like a 4-minute, a 4-hour live, or 4-hour live trading. It's already 10:40. It's gonna end up being a beatboxing show. Yeah, there's no volume, so we're not gonna see anything exciting. There you go. It's gonna be a very slow and boring live stream. I think we got what? Yeah, about 45 minutes so far. You can just see price action basically live. It's the best part. When you would execute, when you would get in, when would you get in, get out, etc., etc., etc. Oh, uh-oh, boys. Oh, let's go. Okay, SPY is still coming up. Nasdaq's coming down a little bit, not much. It's still 0.18 on the day. We got 13 minutes for the hourly to close and the 30-minute as well. It seems like we're gonna be doing this right here for 2 days, 3 days, 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and then we break out. So, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. The only thing I'm worried about, it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter, and then we break down like 50 cents. But then I'll just add another 2,000. 30-minute looking ugly, boys. But we still got 13 minutes, like I said. 15-minute retesting that wick. Now if this stays, it looks nice. Or we get this 50-cent drop. So then here, boom, 50-cent drop. But I'm not worried. Heavy short interest. Gonna do more research on it. My DD. I don't know how positive of a short squeeze it is, or if it isn't, or it already happened from $7 to $17. But if I do my DD and it is something like AMC and there's like a heavy short interest, then I'm gonna swing and play this out. Plus the company is good, financials are great. So I think if I'm not mistaken, the sales on the company have been growing year over year. So that alone, this being a long-term swing, 6 months, a year, 2 years, I mean, for sure it's gonna get 20, 25. If I'm not mistaken, IPO price was like $20. So anything under that, I think, is a steal. For me, the perfect price, like I mentioned, $12. Anything under 12, you're winning. Whoever got it at 750 and is still holding, go. Oh, Fast Market is live, 10 a.m. Oh, shit. We are going to retest the 13. Yes, sir. Yazerski. Strain it. Coronavirus update. Colombia becomes 10th country with 100,000 COVID deaths. Wow. This is the part that people don't show, though, in the trading. It's patience now. We wait. Sometimes at 9:30 it goes up 20% and you're done. Sometimes you gotta wait till 3:20 in the afternoon and you got in at 8 in the morning. You know, so no volume, as you can tell in the 5 minute. It's just falling off, falling off, falling off. Screening, yo. Yes, sir. You. Man, these dojis are ugly, boy. Screen it. Yeah, we got 8 minutes. Oh. 4 hours, not even close to closing. But I like these wicks. No John. I'm about to play Scarface in the background, to be honest. Oh, or maybe we play some Call of Duty. About to be a gaming stream.
My name is Teresa Mendoza. I am from Mexico. I was born poor. Not that that's bad. But take it from me, I've been poor. And I've been rich.
Lesson number
Oh shit. Had it muted. Yes, sir. Part of me wants to add more at 13, but I'd rather wait, you know? I don't want to get FOMO and go in heavy and I'm in $3 drawdown with the whole account, you know? Ooh, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. I averaged down to 1333, so I'm not even worried. We got 4 more minutes. No volume. There's no volume. Let's see. This is the boring side of trading that no one talks about. People think they make a lot of money off rip in 2 seconds. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. So we wait. So 30 is about to close. Look at that wick. The wick don't lie, and I'm trying to feel you, girl. Bang, 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 bang. Jolano, Jolano. One minute. Look at the volume in the 30 minutes. How it changes. It's crazy. At least yesterday was consistent. Huge drop off. There you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ski. Strain it. Strain it. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, we're only down like a ribeye and a half. It's like a tomahawk. Feel me? Oh. Like a 30-ounce tomahawk from the nope. This is so boring. Look at that. This is where I just close. I call it a day. Don't look at this. I have like a notification under 1290. You know, I'll create an alert. Anything above below this, and then I'll have an alert above this, and then whenever it pings, I'll get back to this. But since we're recording the session, I'm gonna keep the screen on, and I'm gonna be talking. So let's see what else is moving today. AHT. Let's look at AMC. Hmm. 50 might be the new range. $50 to $65 is not bad. This reminds me of over here. How do I go back? Oh, I can't. I would need 4 hour. This right here. Let me make it bigger. This right here reminds me of this right here. And this also reminds me of Wish on a smaller scale. So, you know. I'm not trading AMC no more though. I miss my entries, so I'm not even touching that shit. Yeah, we're bulling, bro. We're chilling, man. We're gonna be hanging out. We got Scarface on the TV, just in the background, no audio. You know the vibes. You. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. Okay, so I haven't done my DD on this yet, but just from this tweet that I follow, someone I follow, for those wondering about Wish shorts, short volume is the highest it's ever been. Short interest volume steadily increasing. Short interest volume 21,497,729. Short interest volume ratios 0.15. Calculated short interest is about 21%, which is already pretty high. Flow went from 50% bullish to 71% bullish this morning, and I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. If you follow me on Twitter, I'll retweet it. Crazy. Yeah, I'm just looking for a long-term swing. I'm looking for $20, like take profit. So goal is to have 10 to 13, depending on the price I get it at, 10 to 13, 10 to 13,000 shares, and then depending on my average, I'm gonna sell at 20, but I'm looking at a $4 to $7 profit. So hopefully, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how the market treats me. I'll be back. Hey, baby, it's crazy. Yeah, I know. I got it yesterday. Nice. Noise.
Are you still in?
Yeah, I added 500 more. I'm up on the day 305.
No, I don't do some pushy.
No. No.
Put a 0.01 cent. Fucking the market makers see your stop order and they're like, yo, let's get this back. This is Julio.
It's like, thanks for your shares. And it's gone. Yeah, bro. I've been getting stopped out way too much. I literally got stopped out at the $14 level, lost $99. So yeah, the volume hasn't been that good, but it's starting to pick up now at these levels. I mean, if we break over this 1370, then we might see some tick up in volume. Day traders might jump in. And it's 11, so probably after lunch we'll pick up too. One thing that pulled. Nice, chilling. Yeah, so open P&L so far 700 on the day 673 because I lost the $99, but we're chilling. If we get a rejection off the 1450. And we might get a range for like 3-4 days, like how we did last week. I might just trade that zone and then like load up for the swing, if it rejects at that 1450 though. But or I sell half at 1450 and then I'll just keep buying the dips. Oh, that tape looks beautiful. Ooh. Let's see if we break that 1370. That's what I have my trend line for post-market and pre-market yesterday on like the downtrend or whatever. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that last 5 minute big volume jump at that 1340.
Now watch the level 2.
Yeah, it's starting to pick up on the level 2. Tape's looking. It's so nice. It's like Christmas all. Oh wow, look at that. 1370. Yeah, like 8,000 to 10,000 orders right there. 1,500, 2,000, 2,000. At these, look, 3,100. Oh, this is beautiful. I after 14, we're gonna start getting that FOMO. I mean, if it continues. There you go, baby. What time is it? 30's about to close. Look at that 30, baby. How's the volume looking for the day? Okay, it's not that bad. 1080 to 12 on the same sort of volume on the full day, and we're about halfway. 1370, fire. I mean, this 12 to 15 is a range. It's a nice range. Wow. The hourly. Okay. Yeah, we still got 30 minutes on the hour, though. 37 minutes. Up 1.4% on the day. Oh, it's looking nice. That 1373, nice little wall. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You. Oh. 5 more minutes for the 30. I don't know if I mentioned that there's unusual on the news. There was unusual options activity. Where is it? Oh, I messed up there. So where is it? Okay, unusual options activity. Sentiment is bullish. It's sweeps, puts for strike price 10, and these are 2022. Open interest 5,900. That's good. And then, if I'm not mistaken, there was I mentioned this earlier. $20 call sweeps for earnings. I mean, 2 month swing for a $10 run up. That's worth it. That's what I'm looking at. AMC. I was in AMC for like 4 months. So, yeah. I mean, if it takes 4 months, totally worth it. Almost 100% gain. Not bad. Yazerski. Break that 1370. Yazerski. Yazerski. We're at an hour and 20 minutes on this video, and I think we had like 30 minutes on the other one. So this looks really good. Unless they're trying to get orders. Oh, you weren't even listening. It looks good. Unless it's grabbing orders to like come back down to 13 to break it, which is good. What is the VWAP on it? 1350, 1360s? Yeah. Where the wick was on the 5-minute. It's just not enough volume to break. I was looking at the daily, and a few days ago, it went from 1080 to 12 with the same volume, and we still have another 4.5 hours. So I feel like if we get back to retest that 1440, and then the day traders start coming in, it's gonna be a fun day, my friend. And it's only Tuesday, which is good. Oh, look at, huh? Yeah. And yesterday I think it was like what, 300 million in volume? Oh, 400 million yesterday. SPY's at 422 today. And, oh wow, Nasdaq is ripping, so that's good. I think we're at all-time highs on Nasdaq. Shout out to Tech, baby. Have you been watching Shopify? Shopify? It's been ripping past like month. It's like at 1,500 the last time I checked. Crazy. Yeah, bro. Really good swing. Really. Yeah, exactly. That's why I was mentioning it. It's crazy. Oh wow, bro, Nasdaq looks amazing. Oh, 30 just closed, boys and girls. 30, look at that. Look at that. Yes, sir. It's going to be a steady climb. Steady climb. Damn, maybe I should have added a little more at 13, eh? Would have been a really good day. Moving on up, moving on up, moving on up. Yeah, I kind of want to end the live or the video because it's already an hour and a half, and you guys saw my execution, so. $13.70. Oh, there you go. Retesting 13.50. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut the video. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the video on the live. You guys have been just watching me sit here, so yeah. I mean, if we do come down, I'll get back on the video, and then see if it gets back to 13, I'll start a new video, and then see where it goes. But as of right now, it's literally hanging out. So yeah. Oh, this looks beautiful. I love this. This is awesome. I love this right here. That 13 level respecting. Kind of wish I added a little more, but yeah. Yeah, if anything, I'll come back. If not, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and make sure for the video later today on my analysis on Wish and where I think it's gonna go, long-term update, the whole nine. So just keep that notification bell on, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys want to see, if you guys need any videos, and yeah, you know how it be. Dale.